Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello everyone, welcome to the 18th video in our digital Arabic calligraphy playlist. I am Hamdan As-Salama and I'm excited to bring you this community service project from International Open University. In this playlist, we will explore how to create and design Arabic calligraphy using mobile apps, a powerful way to boost your creativity using just your phone. In this video, Module 18, Adding Texture to Your Design, we'll be understanding the purposes of textures in design and applying textures to the calligraphies that we have done. Alright, first things first, to get started, we actually need to obtain those textures. So, of course, we go online and we search up textures that we would like. There are all sorts, okay? You can search up a glitter background, you can search up wall texture, paper sand texture, whatsoever. So currently I will be searching up glitter background. These are examples of glitter backgrounds that can be used. I will pick a relatively simple one. So select the image and save it. You can pick something like this, select it, save it. I saw something previously. It was more silver themed, save it. Alright, I think that is enough for now. You can also search up wallpaper, like wall backgrounds. This is an example. Although it is not so intense, but it can also be used if you wish to. Or it can be more, something like this. This will be a very nice one. You'll download it, select, save. And for now, I think that is enough. Now we will go to Pixel Lab. Before going to Pixel Lab, we'll go to Calipro and pick another one of the calligraphies that we had done previously. This time I wish to choose كل عام وأنتم بخير. Alright, so we will download it as it is. We will not be changing anything. Make sure that there is no background color there. Download it. Alright, then we go back to our designs and then see if we can bring another one. Let's take the sabr that we had done last time. Let's download that one as well. My designs, another one. Hasbunallah. Or maybe I'll take this. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And I'll save it. Alright, that's enough. So we close the app and then we go to Pixel Lab. As always, we scroll across the options of backgrounds available. We pick the white one and then we import our image from the gallery, which is the image of our calligraphy. This is كل عام وأنتم بخير. Bring it in. Increase the size. Maybe we can even flip it around a little bit to give it a little bit more of style. And there we go. Then we go to the options and we click texture. Currently there is no texture selected, so we will click it, the image icon next to it, and we will click and choose one of our textures. We can pick this one, the brick one. Look at that. This is what it turned the calligraphy to. Look how beautiful it is. This is what it would look like. You can also change the background of the canvas to something else that is too intense. You can add a different color, maybe make it a little bit more cream-like. Okay, that is all right. And maybe you could even bring in some calligraphies, some designs to surround it. You never know. Maybe because we had downloaded some of the design lines previously, so you could even implement that. Now, because of the background, we will be removing the background. There's an option here which we can use to remove the background, and that is erase color. Enable it. Now, the reason why I didn't use this in the last 2 videos is because a lot of the times it is not precise. If you zoom in, you will see that you can still see some of the whites of it, and I needed the design to be a lot more precise than that, so I didn't really include it. And then we can add this here. There we go. Maybe it needs to be curved a little bit more. I think this is alright. Alright. And you can simply download this and save it. You could add this to the top as well by duplicating it and placing it up there. There we go. You can save as image. Save to gallery. Or you could just simply keep the background as white, because I feel like the color pops more when the background color is just simply white. Maybe we should make the color a little bit more faint. Something like this. I think this looks much better. Alright, now we will bring in another calligraphy and try a different style. We'll be using the glitters this time. So, we will start a new project. Make sure to save this project. I'll call it Bricks. The advertisements that keep appearing are as a result of the internet. When you have your data on, this happens. Alright, then we start a new one. Yes, we'll open a new project. And then we will import our image, our calligraphy, and change the texture to glitter. You can take this one. Import. There we go. increase the size, make sure it fills the screen as much as possible. Alright, is it at the center? Relative position, center, in the middle. There we go. And then we click texture. Select image for texture. We will be using gold sparkles for it. And then we change the background color to black. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Or we could reduce the intensity of the black to something more gray. That looks too loose. Alright, there we go. Or we could even change the texture to something else. Maybe this color doesn't pop that much, so we can pick something pink. And then we can change the background color to something different. Or we could just keep it at white. I will be including stroke. Enabling stroke might help. Oh, the stroke doesn't really show here. Maybe because we have changed the texture. I can see, oh, the stroke is there, apologies, but we need to change the color of the stroke to black. I see now. Then we change the background color to white. And there we go. And you can save the image. As you can see, you can play around with it as much as you want, as much as you'd like. You can make really amazing designs using this. I remember I downloaded sorry, let's go back and start a new project. I remember downloading a white glitter. We can use that and make sure that the background is all black. I see it's not completely silver, but you can use solid. Increase it in size. Right, then we change the texture. Select an image and choose this, but we will crop it to the part that's only silver. There we go, and then we change the background color to black. And then we select Sober, go to stroke, enable the stroke, and you can make the stroke a little bit more thick. And look at that. You can even further design it with some mandalas if you wish to. and choose this. I think the color can also be changed. Yes, it can be changed. And then you duplicate it and add it to this corner. And there we go. This is what it looks like. You can always change it, make it a little bit more, add some extra designs, give it more style, duplicate, and then increase in size, and then duplicate, reduce it in size, duplicate. Basically just play around with it as you wish. And there we go. Select this one, put it at the back. And there we go. Just have fun with the design, however it is that you wish. Playing around with it can be really fun. Let me select that one and duplicate it. This one is really blurry, so we'll bring this on here instead. All right. And you can maybe delete this and then download. It's just to play around with. You can actually make professional designs with it, and it's quite simple. That is all I am going to be showing for this video. In the next one, module 19, I will be showing you an introduction to the CT design app. I'll be showing you, the content will include overview of CT design interface and tools. I will be deleting all of this because I personally prefer a more simple design. There we go. Have fun everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.